Very good morning, children. Today also I am going to start textbook. I hope all got textbook. So last class, what we did know, children, take page number 82. Page number 82, we did numbers up to 100 also we finished. Exercise number 1, page number 83 also we finished. 84 also we finished. 84, we finished only 85 page number till 88 number only we finished. Now we will going to start, I am going to start 56, page number 56 I am going to start, children. So open your textbook. Once again I am saying page number 85. Which one? Page number 85. Page number 85. 56. Number is 56. Last class we did 4 sums, no children, 4 expanded form. Now we are going to fifth one. 56. 56. See, 55 is in which place, 6 is in which place, 6 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place. So what you will write here? Now you know how to write now, children. So 55 becomes 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. Here what we will write? 5 tens plus 6 ones. 74. 74. Now you write, children. Now we will write ones, tens. 70 plus 4 is equal to 74. 7 tens plus 4 ones. Sharp your pencil without spelling mistakes. You want to write tens, ones, numbers. Write neatly. Sharp your pencil. See, when you are starting the textbook, no, write date also. Understood, children? Write date. After that, you will go to textbook exercise. Now 74, 18. See, ones, tens. One is in which place? Tens place. So what we will write here? 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 110 plus 8 ones. 27. 27 ones, tens. 220 plus 7 is equal to 27. 2 tens plus 7 ones. Here 35. 35. 3 is in tens place. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 43. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 4 tens plus 3 ones. Understood, children? 43. 4 tens, 3 ones. See, we finished expanded form also. Page number 85 also over. Now we will go to page number 86. Understood? 86. Finish it neatly, children. I will give you 2 minutes to write neatly. Sharp your pencil. Don't do mistakes. Page number 86. This is expanded form. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. 5 tens plus 6 ones. Here 70 plus 4, 74. 7 tens plus 4 ones. 18. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 110 plus 8 ones. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. 2 tens plus 7 ones. Here 30. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 4 tens plus 3 ones. Understood, children? We'll go to next page. Shall I rub this? Now write the numbers in short form. Page number 86. Write the numbers. Where we start now? There you want to write the date. Write the numbers in short form. Short form. When we add the expanded, we get the short form of a number. See, they given expanded form. If we add that numbers, we will get short form. Understood? This is expanded form, children. See, first one, they give an example now. 6 tens and 2 ones. Two ones is equal to, see, this one is this is expanded form. This one expanded form. Together we call, we'll get short form. See here, 6 tens, 2 ones means 6 tens, what will come here? 60, 2 ones, 2. So 62. 62 is a short form. This is expanded form. You want to write in the short form. If together we call, we get 62. Now here, 8 tens and 0 ones. See, this you want to write in the short form. What we will write here? This is expanded form. Together we call, what we will get? Here 8 tens means 0 ones means what we will write here? 8, 0, 80. You will get short form 80. 9 tens. 9 tens and 1 ones. Is equal to. Now you say, children, what we will write? 9 tens and 1 ones means in the box what you will write? 90, 9 tens means 90, 1 means ones, 91. Six tens and 5 ones. What you will write here? 65. Understood, children? Write the numbers in short form. They given in expanded form. You want to write in the short form. This is expanded form. Together we write, we will get 62. Together we call also, we get 62. 8 tens and 0 ones means 80. 9 tens and 1 ones means 91. 6 tens and 5 ones, we get together, we call, we get 65. This is the short form, children. Next main, fill in the blanks, greater sign, lesser or equal to sign. Finish it neatly. We'll go to next main. Next main, what is the next main? Fill in the blanks. Greater sign, lesser than, greater than, lesser than or equal to sign. See, first one is 84, 48. Second one, 57, 75. Third one, 28, 22. Fourth one, 90, 90. Fifth one, 34, 37. Understood, children? For this, we will use three signs. Greater than sign. This is greater than sign. Greater than. This is lesser than. This one is equal to sign. Equal to. You will use these three signs we will use for this. Understood, children? Here, this side, here also 2-digit number, this side also 2-digit number. See here, ones place in 4. 4 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place here. Here also ones place in 8 is in ones place, 4 also tens place. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Now for this we will take only tens place to see which one is big one. See, here 8 is in tens place, 8 is there. Here 4 is in tens place. Which one bigger? 8 or 4? Which one bigger, children? 84 or 48? 8 is the big one, so you want to write greater sign. 84 is greater than 48. We'll use these three signs for this sign. So for this, 84 is greater than 48. 84 is greater than 48. Here, see here also 2-digit number is there. Left side also 2 digits, 75. Right side 75. See the tens place. See, here in tens place, 5 is there. Here, 7 is there. Which one bigger here? 7 is the big number, so you will write like this. You will put the sign like this. So, 57 is lesser than 75. 57 is lesser than 75. See here, ones, tens, ones, tens. In tens place, 2 is here. Here also in tens place, 2 is here. So what we will do, if both the number in tens place same, we will go to ones number. Ones number, see in this number, 8 is in ones place, 2 is in, here 2 is in ones place. Which one bigger, 8 or 2? 8 is the big number. So you will write greater sign. 28 is greater than 22. Now see here 90. See, this side 9 is in tens place, here also 9 is in tens place. Both the numbers same. Now we will go to tens place. Here 0 is in ones place, here also 0 is in ones place. See, these 2-digit numbers both are same. What you will do? You will use equal to sign. For this, You will use, if both the numbers are same, you will use equal to sign. Here 34, 37. Tens number is 3. Here also tens number is 3. What you will do? You will go to ones number. Here 4, here 7. Which number is bigger? Greater number, 7 is the big number. So you will do write like this. You put the sign like this. So 34 is lesser than 34 is lesser than 37. 34 is less than 37. See children, in this side place is there. You want to write this also. Understood? See, fill in the blanks. Greater sign. This is greater sign, lesser sign, equal to sign. Here 84, 48. Which one greater number here? 84. So 84 is greater than 48. 57, 75. Which one greater here? 75. So which sign we use? Lesser sign, no? So 57 is lesser than 75. 28, 22. 28 is greater than 22. 90. 90, here also 90, here also 90. Same number. So equal to sign. 34, 37. Which one greater here? 37 is the greater. So you used lesser sign, no? So 34 is lesser than 37. Finish it neatly, children. We'll go to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Page number 87. Page number 87. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means what, children? Ascending means small to big. In UKG first standard you learn one digit number, no? In second standard you will learn two digit about ascending order and descending order. First we will go to the ascending example first we will do. Example first. See, this one is example. You need not to write. See, when you are writing, no children, textbook, keep one rough note. And when I am doing example sum, no, that sum you want to write in the rough note. Textbook sum you want to do in the textbook only. Now this is example sum now. Now see, in this you want to write small number to ascending means small to big. See, in 54, 56, 58, 73. Small number. Which one small number? See the small number. This one is small number. So 54 first you want to write. Leave it 54 in this three number. Which one small number? 56, 68, 73. 56. 68, 73. In these two number, which one small number? 68. 73. Understood, children? Take one like that only example sum. Another one example I will give. Small to big. In bridge course, what I thought now? Steps is there. John standing is here. John was standing is here. He wants to climb up. Now John wants to go up, climb up. So slowly you will climb up one step over here. 2 second step, third step, fourth step, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. John was here. No, John was here. So small to big. Small to big is ascending order. If John come down means John wants to come down 6, 6 to 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is ascending order. Ascending order, descending order. Descending order means big to small. John wants to climb up. Slowly want to climb up. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So like that you want to climb up. So ascending order, small to big. Descending order means big to small. See, John is standing in the 6th step. Now he wants to come down. So 6th to 5th is coming down. 6th to 5th, 5th to 4th, 4th to 3, 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 0. Like that, descending order. Understood, children? Now you want to go to, now close your rough note and take textbook page number 87. Page number 87. First one, see 62, 85, 58, 26. See in LKG, UKG, sorry children, UKG of first standard, 1, 0, 5, 6. Single digit you use for ascending order. For second standard you will use 2 digit number for silly. See which one small number here? 0. After 0 which one small number? 1. Here 5 or 6? 5, 6. Like that you want to do 2 digit numbers also. For these numbers, first you write ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Understood? Now take all tens place number. Here 6, 8, 5, 2. In this number you want to see which one is smaller number. 2 means 26. 26. We finish this number. In these three number, which one small here? 58. We finish this also. 6 and 8. Which one small here? 6. 62. 8. 8 means 85. So, you want to write neatly in the textbook. First one is 26, 58, 62, 85. So, this is the answer, children. You want to write neatly small to big. Second one. First one you finished, no children? Second one question is 11, 21, 18, 23. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. First, which number will take? Here, in this 1 will take tens number, 2. Here, 1. Here, 2. In this number, which one small here? 1. But both 1 is there. If both the number 1 is there, you want to go to 1's number. See here, 1's number is 1. Here, 8 is it. Here, in this number, 8 is in 1's number. Which one small here? 1 or 8? 1 is the small number. So, you want to write 11. First, you want to write 11. Over, no children, this one. Next one. Which one small number here? 2, 1, 2. Which one small here? 1. So 18. Second one, 2. See, here also both the numbers same. Tens place number is same. So we'll go to ones number. Here 1 will come. Here 3 will come. Which one small here? 1 or 3? 1. 21. After that 23. Third one. Third one, 42, 44, sorry children, 44, 42, 46, 48. See in this, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. See, in tens place here 4, here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. See, in this number tens, all the numbers are same. So we will go to ones number. Here 4, here 2, 6, 8. You want to see this, in this number which one small. Understood children? 4, 2, 6, 8. Which one small number here? 2 is a small number. So you write 42. We finished this now. Now 4, 6, 8. Which one small here? 4. So 44. 46, 48. 46, 48. Which one small number here? 6 or 8? 6. So first you will write 46. After that 48. If all the tens number is same, you go to ones number. Fourth one, 32, 80, 2, 52, 22. Here ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. See here, tens place 3 is here, 8, 5, 2. Which one small number here? 2. 2 is the small number, so you will write this number 22. You finish this. In these 3 number, which one small? 3, 8, 5. 3. 3 is the small number, 32. We finished 3 also. Here 8, 5. Which one small? 52. 5 is the small number, so you write 552. After that, you will write 82. Fifth one. 82, 52, 18, 90. Now here, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. See the tens place number children? Here 8, here 5, here 1, here 1. In this number, tens are same. Both the number 10, both the tens are same. For this, you want to go to ones number. Here 8, here 9. See here now, you want to see 8, 5, 8, 9. First, you want to see these two numbers. Here 18 and 19 is there, no? So 18, 8 is small or 9 is small? 8 is the small. Next, 19. See, here 8, 5, 1. Which is small number here, children? 1 is the small number. So 19 you will write. After that, we will go to next two numbers, 8 or 5. 5 means 52, 82. Understood, children? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. You want to arrange the numbers. So see, 62, 85, 58, 26. Like this, they will give numbers. You want to arrange them to small to big. You want to see the tens place, 6, 8, 5, 2. In this number, which one small? 26. After that, 58, 62, 85. Tens place is same. You will go to ones place. See the ones place and write neatly. Ascending order, we finished. Next class I will do descending order. Now we will go to homework, children. Last class what I gave, 1 to 100 homework I gave, no? I think all are finished. Now you go to next page. Homework note. Take homework note. Now close your textbooks, rough note and take homework note, max homework note. Already I said no, children, for horizontal 2 notebooks are there, one is classwork, one is homework. Last class what I gave, write the numbers 1 to 100 one time. Now this class, go to next page, write neatly, heading neatly. See, here you want to write the heading, write the number names. Number names 1 to 20. Max homework. You want to write the number names for 1 to 20. See, leave here one line. Start from here, children. ONA1. Like this, you want to continue the 1 to 10. Go to next for 11 to 20. Understood? You know, no. ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGST8, NINE9, TEN10. After 10, use scale and put the line and then go to 11, 12, 13 till 20. You want to write how many times? One time. Understood, children? Go to next page, take homework note. Once again I am saying, take homework note, max homework note. Last class I gave, write the numbers 1 to 100. Now this class I am giving, write the number names 1 to 20. One time you want to write, without spelling mistakes, write neatly, sharp your pencil. Next class I will do descending order. Understood, children? Thank you, children.